Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice behind this battery there is that cover right there. We'll be using a screwdriver like this, which is a little thin from top side. We'll punch in the tool on the corner and then pull that cover outwards. There you see some space created. Now we will just pull out the cover completely. Just like that. Behind there is that battery right there. Notice there is a position right there. Punch in the tool in that spot right there and notice the battery just pulled out by itself. That is how we take out the battery for this remote, and it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, before installing, just make sure the plus sign on the battery stays at the top. Now we will go ahead and slide in the battery where we took it out from. We make sure it's completely in, and once it's completely in, then we will go ahead and put back this cover. There it is. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.